Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 1 of the topic data handling, and this is from the Frank ICSE grade 7. So first now let us see what is data handling. So data handling is the process of that is collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting data. So this explanation will be given later. So wherever I find these terms, I'll explain to you. So now let us see directly, let us start with the exercise first. They said to find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. So now before finding the mean, first you have to see what are the natural numbers. So natural numbers means always the numbers which start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And if it is a whole number means whole starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So in the difference between the natural number and the whole number is in whole numbers we have additional 0. Rest everything is the same as the natural numbers. So the natural numbers, now see the formula for the mean is sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. So now first 10 natural numbers means we will start with 1. Sum means we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are going to add all this one. Number of observation means there are 10 numbers. So will write here divided by 10. So when you add this one, you can add and see, you get 55 divided by 10. So that is going to be, because now here is 1 0. So your what will do, 55 will go backwards by 1. So that is going to be 5.5. So the mean of this one, 10 natural numbers is 5.5. First 5 odd natural numbers. So again the natural numbers that start with 1, 2 and so on, but here we want odd and not all the natural numbers. So odd means always the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So you will take 5 numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, and these are the 5 numbers because you can see here the formula is sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Sum of all this one observation divided by the number of observation is 5. So when you add this one, that will be 25 divided by 5. So that is going to be 5. So mean of this one is 5. First 5 prime numbers. So prime numbers always start with 2. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So always this is 2. Then prime numbers means which is not divisible by any number. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So the 5 numbers, these are 5 numbers. So these are the sum. We are going to add this one of all the observations divided by the number of observations. So there are 5. So when you add this one, that will be 28 by 5. And 28 by 5, when you can divide and see. So that is going to be 5.6. So first and 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit numbers means it will start with 10. So 10 plus, we want 10 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 10 to 19 will be the 10 2-digit numbers. So sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So how many are there? That are 10. So when you add this one, that will be 145 divided by this 10. So there is 1 0. So you will go backwards 1 and you will put here point. So it is the answer is 14.5. Find the range and the mean of the following values. So for the mean, it's okay. You can see these numbers. They are not arranged in the ascending order. So this is 16, 18, then comes the smaller number 13 and so on. So for taking the mean, what you have to do, you have to add all these things, so that doesn't matter. But for range, you have to see that the formula for the range is the highest minus the lowest. So it's better to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So same thing, the numbers, and when you because there are many numbers, so when you are taking down the numbers, see that from small to big. Ascending means the numbers from small to big. So 12 is the smallest and the 21 is the biggest. But when you have to do, you have to either cross it or put a tick mark so that you don't miss any number. So 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, and 21. So now can you see when you're putting a tick or if you put a slash, so you don't miss out any number. And you can also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers. So you can just check with this one whether they are 10. So that means whatever you have written is the correct. So this is first thing you have arranged in the ascending order. So range means the highest minus lowest. So highest is 21 and the lowest is 12. So 21 minus 12, that is going to be 9. And then we have to find out the mean. So mean, you know, that is the sum of observations, all observations divided by number of observations. So here you will start from this number and go to this number. You are going to add it divided by this. How many numbers? These total numbers are 10. So you are going to divide it by 10. So this will be when you 157 divided by 10. So this is 10. So you will go backwards 1. So point. So that answer is 15.7. Following are the ages in years of 10 teachers in a school. So these are the ages in years. Find the age of the oldest teacher. So now here you can just see. So the biggest number here is 45. So the oldest means the, which is the bigger one, that is the 45 years. What is the age of the youngest? Youngest means the smaller one. So you can see the small number here is 22. So we can say age of youngest teacher is 22 years. Find the range. Again, you know what is the range. Range is the highest minus lowest. So highest was 45 and the lowest 22. So we write here 45 minus 22. So that is 23 years. Find the mean age of teachers. Mean age of teachers means you are going to add all this one. So because there was a short of space, I wrote this 32 plus 33 down. You can also put in one line. So here you're going to add the numbers and how many teachers are here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of observations, that is, you're going to divide it by 10. So when you add all this one, you get 333 divided by 10. So there is only 10 means you will go backwards 1. So that is going to be 33.3 years. So mean of age of teachers is 33.3 years. Find the number of teachers having age less than the mean age. Mean age we got this as 33.3. So less than 33.3. Now let us see how many teachers are here. So this one, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because 33.3. So we are going to consider 33 also. There are 5 teachers. So we can write here 5 teachers. Find the number of teachers having age less than the mean age. Marks obtained by the students in a science test are, these are the marks obtained. So what is the highest score? So we can see the biggest number. So that is the 91. So the highest score is 91. What is the lowest score? The smallest number is 59. So 59. Range of marks. So the highest score minus the lowest score. Highest marks we can say or score we can say minus the lowest. So 91 minus 59. So that is going to be 32. Find the mean of marks. Again, what mean of marks means? You are going to add all these numbers. Sum of all observations divided by total number. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, these are the sum divided by number. So this is going to be divided by 10. So when you add this one, you will write here 774 divided by this 10. So only 10 means you will go backwards 1. So that is going to be 77.4. How many students have obtained marks more than the mean marks? Mean marks is 77.4. So you have to see more than the mean marks means more than 77.4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. 77.4 means these are 5. So we can say 5 students, we can write here, have obtained marks more than the mean marks. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.